Alrighty, hey guys, how's it going? We're going to be doing a quick video today, changing out a window switch on the passenger side of my 2007 Silverado. Should be pretty easy. I don't really know, I've never done it before. It does nothing. It just went out, so I do know it's a switch because the switch was acting up. It should be a pretty simple video, but just wanted to throw out something for you, so here it goes. Alright guys, so all we're going to need today is a 10mm and a screwdriver. It would be best to use a plastic trim piece tool remover. You can get them at Harbor Freight or the local auto parts store or online for practically nothing. And that's just to pop these pieces off without scarring them up with a screwdriver, but if you're careful, you can do it with a screwdriver. Some pieces you can't, but this one, it's pretty simple. So you're just gonna pop this one off from the bottom and carefully break it off from the top, and then we're gonna pop this switch plate and, I guess, panel off. We don't have to pull the whole door panel off because it's a pretty simple piece. So you're gonna get our screwdriver up in here. Be very careful, pop it sideways until you get your finger up under there. And it has a couple of clips. And it pops off pretty easy. It kind of slides in at one end and slides in at the other end, and it's just got a couple of retaining clips on the middle. You just got to be real careful with that because you definitely don't want to break those off. So just pull out the two 10mm. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. And then here's where a plastic piece would help you a little bit more, but the screwdriver will work just as fine. I like to go right up in the edges of where another piece will sit, so that you don't break any or scratch up where you can or cannot see. Alright, so we got this clip disconnected, and now there's, let's see, 4 clips, 2 on each side to pull the switch itself out. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I don't really know how to get it, but it can't be too bad. Alright, so you just had to push out the thing that holds it in. It has 4 clips on both sides that catch this. Always make sure the part you're going to install is the exact same. Yeah, you can just feel how wore out this one is. This one has a nice rocking motion, and this one is this one's junk. I just went ahead and got the AutoZone cheapie. It ran me like 30 bucks, but I kind of needed it, so I just kind of got it, and I'll let y'all know if it holds up or not. My hope is that it will, and I kind of think that it will, but if it doesn't, then, you know, I gotta deal with it, so it's all up to that. So now we just put everything back together like it came apart. Make sure it all clips in together. Get your handle back up in there, just like so, and pretty easy. I just wanted to do a quick video today, really to show I want to start making a lot of more videos, but it's kind of hard. I am in school right now, but this is the truck most of the videos will be done on. This is a like I said, it's a 2007 Silverado. I've had it for about 4 months now. Haven't really done much to it besides level it and put some rims and tires on it. but the truck is overdue for some maintenance for sure. So there'll be quite a few videos about that. Alrighty, and that's a job well done. Let's see if it works. Alrighty, so that's a job well done. Just want to do a quick little video today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. You'll see a lot more videos in the future.